guys, welcome back. We're trying to get ready to leave for No Fly Zone in Bakersfield, but I'm sitting here waiting for UPS. It's my fault. I did the T51R mod through T51R.com. I probably should have said, hey, is there any way you can expedite this? And I already paid the extra amount of shipping, but anyway. So I am waiting for UPS to drop it off, which I should have did early morning drop off for overnight, but it is what it is. I need this thing to make some noise. The turbo is just too quiet. Even with that little mod I did, I mean, it makes some noise, just not enough for me. I want to make the content. I want the car to sound great. So basically, I opt for the T51R through PSR. For some reason, their T51R does not work or does not do anything, to be honest. So maybe it's a poor design. I have no idea. I mean, it is what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna take this guy off and then wait for UPS to drop off, and I'm gonna install the new one. All right, so compressor's off. I mean, if you guys are curious about PSR, I mean, the turbos are actually really freaking good for the price, to be honest. Basically, this is a G42 1200. It's their copy, but I mean, everything is just, it's flawless. I mean, this turbo, I should have went with something maybe a little bit smaller because it is kind of laggy, but it is what it is.
A few moments later.
Look what just came in. About freaking time. So just a quick comparison. This is T51R.com. They did this for me. And this is a PSR. The difference, it's actually quite a bit different. I mean, look at how big that channel is. And then on T51R.com, it's just a different design. Like, the guy knows what he's doing, so I'm gonna slap this on and then we'll get a start up and start hitting the road. And just like that, she's installed. Let's get our first start up. Let's see how the revs are. That's much better. Let's hit the road.
Yeah, boy.
Alright, I gotta go fill up 2 5-gallon jugs of ethanol, and then I gotta drop it off at BMS because we're gonna put it in the truck. So let me go do that, and I'll get you guys some sound clips while I'm on the way. I love it. Before it sounded like literally a stock turbo. Yeah, that sounds good. That's how it's supposed to sound. At Chevron getting gas, got to fill up the car and then fill up 2 5-gallon jugs and then head over to BMS. Put them in the truck, and then we are out. It's crazy how like clean ethanol is. What a gift from God. 67 bucks, not bad.
One eternity later.
All right, we are in Bakersfield. There's a car on fire. Hey, you can't park there! I'm just kidding.
Really?
Holy shit. We literally caught, like, I think the beginning of that, because the traffic was only like, I mean, we were probably in it like 5 minutes, so we're almost to the hotel.
The next day.
Good morning, everybody. It's 9 o'clock in the morning and we're sitting in line over here at Minterfield, I guess, Raceway. There's already a line. Line to get in. Line behind me. So let's get in here and set up. We got kind of a late start today, so let's get started.
Nice one to you.
So we got our first run in. We did a 158 on a 40 roll. That was only like 28 PSI. Car felt great, so we're about to do map 5 now, 32 PSI, and see how she does. I'm trying to get the launch like under control, which is this turbo is just a little too laggy, but we managed to do 173 with passenger, Princess, and car felt great. I'm gonna go look over the log, send it to Terry, and then hopefully he can raise the boost a little bit more and I'll get that 175 180 mark. Guess I definitely went more than 175. I know that for sure. But let's see. Whew. Right lane, sir. 176, boys. That's crazy. So I'll probably do like one more run. Hopefully I can get that a little bit more. Let's see. So this is gonna be the last run of the day, targeting 40 PSI after like 6,000 RPM. So let's see how she does. Hopefully I can get close to that 180. So far we have hit 176. That's the best run of the day. But it's just getting the launches is tough. Doesn't want to build boost, so. But let's see how this goes. I have no idea what that run was, but it felt good. The launch felt better. Let's see what we got. Last run of the day. Please just give me something close to 180. Right lane? Take it, sir. Yo, holy shit. 178, let's go. Oh my gosh, I'm done for the day. All right guys, well, we did it. We managed to get a 178. Super stoked. The kit performed great. Car's really fast. It's just building boost off the line is pretty laggy, to be honest. I was able to manipulate a little bit by using anti-lag, like the rolling anti-lag. If I basically hit launch control, give it a minute, and then hold anti-lag, it actually builds a couple more PSI. And that's how I was able to actually get that 178 pass. But other than that, I mean, I'm done for the day. I think the car did great. I'm able to drive it home, nothing happened. I'll get some more driving videos. This video I didn't get a lot, but it is what it is, what happens when you're having fun.